Held in Jay, Oklahoma, the Overland Expo draws overlanders and enthusiasts from around the country. Let's dive in and see what makes this event a must-see. Welcome to Overland of America, where adventure meets community. This isn't just a show, it's a gathering of explorers, builders, and dreamers who believe the open road is more than a route, it's a lifestyle. From the rugged rigs and innovative gear to trail-proven wisdom and shared stories around the campfire, this expo brings together everything that fuels the spirit of overlanding. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your journey, Overland of America is where inspiration and adventure begin. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a global expedition, the gear here is cutting edge. At Overland of America, it's the little details and the big ideas that make adventure possible. From compact air compressors that keep you rolling on the trail, to rooftop tents that turn any stop into a comfortable camp. And around the fire pits, stories are shared just as easily as meals, while drawer systems keep gear organized, ready for whatever the journey throws at you. From the simplicity of a well-crafted knife to the engineering of rugged trailers built to follow you anywhere, this expo is a showcase of tools and innovations that fuel the overland lifestyle. It's not just gear on display. It's a reminder that every piece has a purpose, and every purpose brings us one step closer to the next adventure. As we move deeper into Overland of America, it becomes clear that this expo is far more than just equipment. It's about connection, education, and discovery. Around every corner, you'll find opportunities to sharpen your skills and expand your knowledge. Maybe that means sitting in a class where experts share hard-earned wisdom from the trail, or maybe it's one-on-one talking directly with company reps who know their product inside and out and giving you insights that brochures can't provide. And then there are the moments of discovery, that instant where you see your next favorite piece of kit in action, whether it's a clever tool you didn't know you needed, or a piece of equipment that instantly solves a problem you've wrestled with on past trips. This is where innovation comes alive. But what really makes this expo unique isn't just the gear, the classes, or the displays. It's the way everything comes together. The community of like-minded explorers with a chance to learn something new, and the inspiration to chase your own journey. Overland of America isn't just a showcase, it's an experience. One that fuels the lifestyle we live for, and the adventure still waiting to be written. Even though Overland of America may be a smaller event, that's exactly what makes it different. Here it's not about the biggest crowds or the flashiest displays. It's about the people, the community, the tribe. This is where overlanders come together, not just to see gear, but to share stories, swap knowledge, and build friendships that carry far beyond the expo grounds. What makes this event truly special isn't found in the booths or the products. It's the connections made between kindred spirits who all share the same passion for exploration. At Overland of America, you don't just walk through an event, you become part of the community. We are at Overland of America, Jay, Oklahoma, where we just received our All Roads Taken badge, because adventure is worth the drive. Let's get this installed. While the vendors have brought out their best offerings, for me, the real eye candy will always be the rig builds. Whether it's a stock truck fresh off the lot or a nearly finished overland build bristling with gear, seeing these vehicles lined up makes me feel like a kid again. Every rig tells a story of the adventures already seen and the journey still waiting just over the horizon. Overland of America may be a smaller expo, but it leaves a big impression. From the knowledge shared in the classes to the connections made with the tribe, and the inspiration sparked by the rigs on display. This event captures the true spirit of overlanding. It's not just about the gear, the builds, or the trails ahead. It's about the journey we all share. And that's what makes this community so unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next adventure. And remember, life's an adventure. Go live it.